So what is up, everyone? On my way to the Hobbytown, USA in Mansfield / Ontario, Ohio. It's Trxx4m release day. Now, sorry if this is a little bit shaky. We're in the old adventure van. This thing's got over 200,000 miles and a lot of rust, but gets you where you're going. So it is pouring rain out today. So luckily for us, they do have an indoor course that we can use. We'll be doing like a quick unboxing, and should be a red Defender, and we will get it when we get there, get it unboxed and get it on the course. And I think it's gonna do pretty good. I've test drove the Bronco, but I like the Defender body better. And I'm also gonna look at some more of the upgrades and things. But let's just see how it goes, and we will see you there. So here we are. Kind of a different unboxing because I've got the display model for the store. It's the only one that arrived in red, and I wanted red. But check out how easy it is to get this body off. You just clip another one back there, and you're inside. So that's super convenient. And they were nice enough to let me use their charged battery, so we'll have a charged battery for it right off the rip. Not a bad looking little truck. It has that a reverse rotation 87 turn. I'm going to pick up the slow crawling gear transmission today, so we can just do the quick swap on that. But I will pull these parts out of the box and see what we get, but real quick, check this place out. Yeah, well, here we come, the airplane wall. And then there is so much more store. It's just parts and models. So I'm going to get these displayed out before us, and we'll have a look at them. So other than our vehicle, this is what is included inside the box. You get a set of instructions and your wrenches. You do need to provide your own AA batteries for the radio, but you get a full-sized radio, which is always appreciated on any model from me. And you get a 750 milliamp 2S battery, the 20C, and their charger. It's just a USB charger. And that is about the gist of it. There is not a whole lot more hidden down around anywhere that I can find. But I do like the way they've made everything quick release on this. This battery tray is just a simple fold over tab. You just pull it down and that's that. Your battery's in. And I like the idea of switching out the entire gearbox with the motor, but I'm not sure in the practice of it yet. We'll have to see how hard it is just to pop it in and out. I don't think it's going to be very hard. That'll be on a later video. What I'm wanting to do today is just to get the battery in this thing and check out this course and see what we can do. Start off with some side hill. That ESC sure is a squeaker. It makes some noise. Now, for being a hard body, that thing stays planted pretty good so far. So let's talk about this thing. I am impressed. I figured it would be a lot more top heavy than it is, especially with this big old Defender body. And you saw it with your own eyes. It made it through some spots that, in my mind, should have flipped it. Yeah, I did manage to roll it in a couple places, but I really had to try. It didn't roll nearly as easily as I thought. I thought for sure, you know, that when you're moving something that far, there we go, we finally found its tipping point, but even to right here, she'll come back down. And, you know, we made it through the rock maze, and that's, I mean, this is for 1/10 scales. There's, this part is, it's through some pretty heavy rocks through there. I couldn't believe we were able to squeeze through the tunnel either, but that is just the beginning. There's a long ways to go with this Defender, guys, so stay tuned, and next time we'll be doing some mods.